duplicate it out. And we can write it out for another, what, 8 bars here? Yeah, and, or we can remove this and kind of wind it down here. Okay, let's try this. Let's go with grab a little bit of the intro. Copy. Sorry. Oh, sometimes it doesn't paste. Let's try that again. Copy. Oh, did it only grab the yeah, I only grabbed this part right here. Okay, let's try that again. Copy. All right. Well, it seems like Ableton's not behaving, so let's try another way. Right here. Okay. Okay, so as before, I have a similar situation to where it kind of ends a little too abruptly. So I'm going to try once again to use my favorite tool. You know, once you get a tool that you like a lot, use it all the time. You know, don't think that you always have to be trying new plugins. Learn the ones you have really well. I mean, it's not really a good example in this case because it's really just one knob, but you know, the point still stands. Okay, so let's just go ahead and automate this up. Let's start about right here. There we go. All right, I think that's actually pretty good. We can end it on... There you go. That's better. All right. So from the very beginning, now that is our pretty much finalized idea.